Hey everyone, welcome back to Double Days family. If you're new here, hi and welcome. My name is Okanya. I have been finding so many good clearance deals at Family Dollar. As you guys see, I have new products I have found, especially this one. I will share this deal in a second. As you guys know from my last video of the Caress, there are awesome clearance deals going on at Family Dollar, and now they also added some 25% off and 50% off beauty items. So I'm going to share those products with you all. That way you can take advantage of the 5 off 25, the 10 off 50, and the 20 off $75 like I did in this video right here, where I spent, instead of $81, my total came out to only 20 something dollars. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. That way you get all of these amazing offers and deals when I find them, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I do upload new videos. So yeah, I'm going to share these deals with you in a second, show you the prices, and I'll also show you a really good couponing offer that's super easy, super fast, especially if you're new to couponing. Easy deal you could just run into Family Dollar and get as well. But let's run that footage so you can see what kind of clearance items there are at Family Dollar. Let's go. Don't forget to take advantage of this $3 off $9 digital coupon offer on Axe, Degree, Dove Men, Suave, and other brand products. Totally free on your Family Dollar mobile app. Just clip it to save you even more money on clearance. amounts of deals. When I ran into Family Dollar the other day, it was to get this Dial deal. They actually have a digital coupon offer. I'll put it up here so you can see, where you'll get and save $1 off of Dial products. I tried to scan with the mobile app to see what products was included. Unfortunately, this one was not one of them, and neither was the other ones that I found, because it says that it's only for 8-pack bars of Dial soap, and those were nowhere to be seen in my store. So if you have those 8 packs, take advantage of it and use that $1 off, because it'll save you even more money. But even regardless, at $3 and some cents on this entire pack, this is a big pack of 10 bars of soap. Really good offer, and that makes them about 30 something cents per bar. That's fantastic. I think that's the same price as their Modessa brand, which is one of their cheaper brands also, but you're paying for Dial soap, which is fantastic. And if you want to do pretty much like gift sets or whatnot for family members, they come individually packed, so you can take advantage of that also. So that was one of the really good deals. And of course, you guys saw from one of my other videos, the Caress was also still on clearance. They had some soft soap on clearance, and I want you to take advantage, especially if you're new to couponing, on this really easy digital couponing offer. And just as a quick reminder, remember you could do all these deals in conjunction with one another. So you could of course use this, for example, $3 off of 9 deal in combination with also like the buy one get one free offer for the Renews It, and so on. You could mix and match as long as you use the coupons and get the products that you need and that the coupons are referring to, then you should be absolutely golden. And also take advantage of those $5 off of 25s, 10 off of 50s, and the $20 off of $75 available right now, especially with spring cleaning around the corner, or if you need food products. So you can take advantage of either one of these. They have different scents available. At my store, they had both of them. They are on sale this week for $3, at least they were in my store. But there is a $1.25 off digital coupon when you purchase one of these kits. You can also grab the dual pack, but it will save you so much more money if you only get the kit, because it'll come out so much less expensive. Just remember to clip that digital coupon to your free Family Dollar mobile app to get this deal. So it has to come with both of them, which is a win-win situation, especially if you haven't bought any of these yet. It already comes with the warmer or the insert for it, and one smell good, which is really good. So you'll get these for a really inexpensive price, so take advantage of that. All you have to do is clip that digital coupon to your free Family Dollar mobile app, and when you're at the register, just enter your phone number, and boom, the discount comes right off. So that's it. That's really that simple. You could take advantage of also this offer and also the soap offer and all the other clearance items like the makeup, which is a really good price, and nail polish, and include that in the 5 off $25, saving you even more money for things that you probably were gonna get anyway. And maybe you'll even take advantage, not only pay less, but get more products of the things that you actually wanted and needed. So there's that. Guys, this is such a good offer. I really hope you go shopping. Let me know in the comments what deals you find that were on clearance at your store, because every store is different. I'd love to hear about it, and if you use that 5 off 25, let me know that too. What kind of products did you get? That way I get an idea of what you guys all like to shop for, and that way I could go out and find you them deals too. So yeah guys, again, if you're new here, just welcome. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when we upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos like I did yesterday, the day before probably, and the day maybe before that. I upload a lot. We even do cooking videos, vlogs, you name it, we do it. We like to keep the variety going aside from our digital couponing offers, just because it's a lot funner that way in my opinion. So yeah guys, thank you all so much for being here. I hope you all have a fantastic, fantastic day. And yeah guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye guys.